subscribe to our YouTube channel, and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo launched its new A-series phone in China called Oppo A2, with quiet stylish rear panel design. Now let's take a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Oppo A2 features a tall 6.72-inch Full HD Plus display, with up to 90 Hz refresh rate and up to 680 nits of peak brightness support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. As per the storage, the smartphone packs with 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, that can be extended up to another 12 GB by using internal storage, and it has 256 or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 storage, with microSD expansion support. In terms of optics, the Oppo A2 sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, with f2.4 aperture. For selfies, it has 8-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 33-watt SuperVOOC fast charging support, and it runs on Android 13, based on ColorOS 13.1 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP54 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 165.6 by 76 by 8 mm, and it weighs around 193 grams. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Oppo A2 has been priced in China for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 1,699 Chinese yuan, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in mystery black, glowing green, and violet color options. So, what do you guys think of this Oppo A2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.